Hello, sixth graders. In Edgenuity Science, you will come to a project in biodiversity called Examining Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services. Go ahead and open up the student guide. And when you see this, you're going to see a big old long project. But the only thing that I'm going to make you do is step 2. So you are going to gather background information to help you create your plan. You're going to answer these 5 questions. Why is soil important? What is soil erosion? How human activities are responsible for soil erosion happening at advanced rates? What are some of the effects of soil loss? What can be done to prevent soil erosion? And then you're going to go down to table 1, which I'll show you in a second, to answer those questions. So they've given you some websites here to help you find your information. I'm going to let you know right now that this second website does not work. So you only are going to use this first website, the second website, and the third website. Scroll down to page 7, you'll find the Planning for Biodiversity and Ecosystem Services student worksheet. Here is where you are going to record your answers. So source 1, go ahead and label source 1 on the side and what website it was. Same with source 2 and source 3. You will not have 4 sources anymore. And then you are going to answer these 5 questions using this chart. When you finish answering the chart, you are going to add files, and then it will alert me to go ahead and grade that. Basically, answer the questions, fill in the chart for full credit. And that is all that you have to do for this project. You do not have to do any of the other steps. I hope that helps.